Hi everyone!
Hey!
So tonight, what are we making, Paige?
Lobster roll pasta. Funny thing, I've never had lobster.
But I have, and I love lobster. So this is by Skinny Taste. And what are we making on the side?
Creamy cucumber radish salad.
And this is by Coctoria. And we have actually done both of those. But the funny thing is that we do not go looking for them. But they keep finding us. So
It's on our For You page on Pinterest.
yes, on our Pinterest. So let's get started. Hi, I'm Panay.
I'm Paige. And I'm Paisley.
And we're the Pestos. This is a dab of crazy.
Make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And check out our blog for more recipes, funny stories, and our other social media. Let's get cooking! So the cucumbers, you're gonna peel half them and slice the cucumbers. Wash and thinly slice radishes. Place all ingredients in a medium small bowl and sprinkle with salt, pepper. Enjoy. So these are both so simple.
Literally just putting everything together.
Yeah, you're basically just making, cooking the pasta. She says to use real lobster, but unfortunately they didn't have any by us.
And also, I am not taking, in the shell.
Yeah.
No, thank
So
you.
they had imitation lobster, but it's still gonna be good. So, and then the salad, yeah, it's another fish that they make taste like it's. So I'm gonna start the pasta because you just cook that normal.
I'm gonna be a genius real quick and see if I can do something.
Okay, so she is doing the cucumbers, or at least she's attempting. So the lobster roll pasta is served chilled. Almost forgot which recipe it was.
Oh, they're so tiny. Is it weird that I've got country songs playing in my head? Nah.
So I did the celery. Now I'm gonna cut up an onion.
See?
Peeler.
People don't have a peeler, yeah. There's people a little bit. Why is this feeling? Okay, I'm cutting the radish, you get to do the cucumbers.
Echo, stop.
Watch, I bet I can do it. They're going in here. Okay.
Can you bring the bowl? Oh, no, the other one.
It's just other food.
Well,
She taped me back together. Paisley's gonna be taking over for me now because I can't do anything.
I already glued their brother back together. He's 21 now, but I've glued him so many times.
She knows how to do this. Alright, I gotta go.
Fortunately, I taped her back together, and she's gonna go rest now. So Paisley and I are gonna carry on.
Bye.
I don't want to tape any more fingers back together. I'll do that.
I can do it.
You do those, and I'll do these.
That's a smart idea.
Yes, I don't feel like taping anyone else back together. They make this handy dandy little thing just so that you don't do that. Yeah, I recommend using this thing. Careful, I don't want to tape you together too. So, what I was saying before is I put the pasta. Oh, it's got a little. It was sitting in front of the fan, so. Lobster we got. It's actually imitation lobster. Yeah, put it in there. Looks like imitation crab.
Or one
Okay, throw everything away. Okay. So, let's see. If you want to toss this, just go like this and kind of mix them. Try to keep them in the bowl. So I had gotten chives because this one needs chives. But then we were at my mom's this last weekend, so I forgot them there. So I have these freeze-dried chives, and we're just putting those in there. So we'll put them in there, we'll put them in here. All right. So this one gets cottage cheese. So it says 8 ounces, this is 16 ounces, so I'm just doing about half. And then salt and pepper, salt and pepper. So salt. I'm gonna take the lid off because this one needs salt. They both get salt and pepper. Pepper. Do the same thing in this one. I'm gonna add a little paprika into this one. Oh, pepper just blew back in my eyes. This one needs yogurt. So Greek yogurt into this.
I think it's done.
Yeah, looks good. So half a teaspoon, so I'm gonna shake the celery salt in there. 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, so
A lot of mayonnaise.
I did.
Okay, time
Right.
to mix.
Now it's just time to mix.
Mix.
But I had doubled the pasta because, as you know, we have a big family, so. But we're pretty much done. Once I get this, there's so much in this pot. Let's pour a little of that in here so that it's creamy. It looks good. So, are you ready to eat?
Yes.
I think Paige is probably hungry too, so we'll go feed her. I think that's it, so bye.
Bye.